Look at these beauties. We're about to head out to the powwow that is being held by my university. My class actually has a booth there where we're handing out zines from different topics that are very important for Native American women. I did my shift yesterday, so today I'm just going to go to continue to support, but also to look at the different vendors there and probably show you their different wares. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys the zine that we created. This is about protecting ICWA, which is the Indian Child Welfare Act. Disregard the nails. We go into the background of what the Indian Child Welfare Act is. And we go into the current court case, which is this one, Holland versus Brackeen. You can find videos about this. You can find tons of articles on the web about this. So there is not a lack of information. Let me tell you, FAQ, the overrepresentation in violence in foster care and adoption, quotes by representatives, and what ICWA means to them. And then the last section is the controversies and why there is controversy, which would include constitutional concerns, the child placement, and putting the child first, the sources for these. There's obviously a lot more opposition going on, and then tons of resources in the back. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and link, I'm going to place a link to change.org below this video if you're interested in learning a little bit more about ICWA and hopefully signing the petition. You can go ahead and do that.
No, we don't go to that one. No.
All drums be prepared. We're going all the way around. All the way down the line.
Okay, I just wanted to show you guys this beautiful copalero. So you place your charcoal tablet in here and then you add your copal resin. That's why it's called the copalero, because it was mainly used to burn copal resin. Now, I have been wanting one of these for a very long time. And I kid you not, when I would go on the internet to look for one, I couldn't find a single one anywhere. And I think that's pretty crazy because once I purchased it, I just to check shit, just for shits and giggles, I went onto Etsy and I found so many of them. None of them that looked quite like this, but I found so many and I was like, okay, that's just funny. But my dad actually purchased this for me. I was with him when we found it, but it's just kind of crazy to think that he, of all people, purchased this for me for many reasons that may or may not be so obvious right now. We can get into that later. But I just wanted to share, like, it's just, oh, it's so beautiful. And obviously I've been using it quite a bit. And that sound you hear is a marble that's inside. It's part of the sound medicine of doing the smoke cleansings with this specific tool, the copalero. And the story of how we even found this piece at the powwow and the conversations that were had during the time that this was being purchased is also something I might want to get into maybe later on. But I'm just so happy that I finally got one. Up until this point, I had been burning my charcoal on other things, like other cast iron things. That's one of them down there. Then also on this little guy, well, you can still see I got a lot of stuff on there, but yeah, that's how I was doing it before, and this just feels so right for me. I love this piece. I'm so in love with this piece.
What are you?
It's a lizard. Sorry, later. It's like a full-on pre-runner right there.
Is there even fucking room up there?
No.
Look at my little friend.
You fool. Time to head on out.